Hi everyone, welcome to Algonquin College. Here's a quick tutorial on how to find and purchase all of your course materials. To make it easy for AC students, we've gathered all of your course materials into one spot called Booklist. Accessing your Booklist is easy. Just visit thecampusstore.ca/booklist to see all the course materials you will need for this term. Once you click on Get Your Booklist Here, you will be brought to a login page where you can log in using your Algonquin College email address and password. Please note you should not be entering your student number. You will be using your full Algonquin Live email address. Next, select your term and click Find My Course List. Now that you've successfully gained access to all of your course materials through Booklist, you will be able to scroll through each of your courses to determine which required or suggested course materials you will purchase. Under each course, you will see a number of options. You can either buy a print version of your textbook, or you can buy the digital resource. We also have used options in many cases. Whichever option you choose is completely up to you and your learning style. Once you've decided which option you want to purchase, simply click Buy, and this will be added to your cart. You can view your shopping cart to ensure you've selected all of your course materials. Click Proceed to check out from there. Either click Log In to log into your Campus Store account, or follow the prompts to add your personal information, including your billing and shipping address and personal payment information. If you have any questions about your course materials, please contact us anytime at campusstore@algonquincollege.com.